Wonderish is a web app that allows you to create a wide variety of websites, funnels, blogs, and a whole range of digital assets. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what I'm going to say is create a landing page for a new ebook called Perfecting Prompts, which is a 7-day crash course on how to supercharge your productivity by understanding prompt engineering. Okay, great. Let's see what it does with this. Okay, cool. So it's spinning up my website preview, saying this will only take a moment. Cool. We're getting some output here on the left, as you can see. Okay, great. We can see that Wonderish is still working away. So it's designed trust builders, calls to actions, key features, even the hero section as well. And now it's working on a design plan. So let's see what sort of design it actually comes up with based on this idea. Okay, cool. So it's asking me about typography. This is what it's suggesting, and I think I'll just go with it. Okay, cool. So now we can see it's setting up the project foundation, then it's going to build the UI components, then it's going to create a homepage and optimize for search engines as well.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's just finished up here. It's told us that the build is complete. We've got a landing page that's appearing, and as you can see, you can click start learning now or preview course and scroll through and see what we've got here. Now, of course, I don't have a PhD in artificial intelligence, but this is something we can easily tweak. And yeah, we've got a sign up form as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't think there's anything attached to these buttons. Yeah, there isn't. But of course, this is just like the outer shell of it. And this is a great starting point that you can use to actually start creating any sort of landing pages, sales funnels, and similar sort of assets. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.